Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about one of the smartest livestock investments for small farmers, the black Bengal goat. First, the demand for its meat is high. It's lean, tender, and sells at a premium price. One adult goat can earn you twice as much as other breeds. Second, they're cheap to feed. They eat leaves, shrubs, and weeds. That means lower costs and less work. Third, they breed fast. A female can give birth to 2 to 4 kids every 6 to 8 months. You can grow your herd quickly or sell often. Fourth, they're tough. Black Bengals handle heat, rough land, and stay healthy. You'll save money on vet bills. Fifth, they don't need much space. You can raise them in your backyard or a small plot. No big barns needed. Sixth, they're supported by government schemes in many countries. Loans and training are often available, and finally, they're easy to sell. People buy them for meat, breeding, or special occasions. They're always in demand. So if you're starting small, this goat is a big win. Low cost, low effort, high return. Would you raise black Bengals on your farm? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Background Hero.